Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're in Manchester. I'm with Gilbert, Mr. E and Maria. It's come to join us for the day, our new exploring buddy. We're at a place called the Toast Rack, which is quite a famous brutalist style building. It's been abandoned for some time, though it looks like it's censored up to the hilt. There are definitely movement sensors, there are cameras everywhere, so we're taking a bit of a risk by just hoping that the cameras aren't monitored and the sensors aren't active. But if they are, it could get interesting, so stay with us and let's find out.
You saying? Got a problem? We just go for it as and when we're all ready.
Yeah.
When we think it's a good moment.
There you go, nothing.
Oh yeah, that camera's just spun round.
Has it?
Yeah.
Really? Definitely.
Watch when he walks through the sensor. Yeah, it's coming back. See it? It's
Yeah.
moving slowly.
Yeah, I can see it.
It's like someone's looking through that.
Yeah. Yeah. I think what we'll do, we'll give it 10 minutes.
We'll see if he gets caught.
Yeah, see if he gets caught, yeah. Yeah, because that'll be funny. You clear?
Go on.
You ready?
Yeah.
Is that okay? Yeah.
You good, yeah?
Cheers, bud. Cheers, bud. Thanks, mate. You all right, mate?
Is that usually the level of effort you have to go through to get in?
It depends, really.
1 to 10, how would you rate it difficulty-wise?
A 6.
A 6?
I'll get under that. I don't think that'll go through.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. See, I need to lose some weight. Yeah, that's live. I think, yeah, I think that's live, girl. Pass up. Thanks, mate. It's a shame, it's a really cool building, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a shame, guys, it's a really cool building, but we just can't seem to find a way into it. So I think it's going to be a bit of a bust, this one. But we've tried everything so far. What do you do, Benham? Hey, look. Oh, yeah. One of them cameras. Look, that's all freshly plastered. Wow. Just shows you, doesn't it? It just shows you, you have to explore. Guys, we're in. Oh, mate. Oh, boy. Oh, yes. Should we go straight for the roof? Look at this, mate. That's why it pays to be persistent, guys. So we've been persistent, and we're now in the toast rack, the famous toast rack building. Absolutely brilliant. Now this building actually tapers as we go up, so the rooms will start getting narrower every floor we go up. You can see the gym. Yeah. Let's go up again. A bit more stripped out. Pigeon. Pigeon. Yeah. Nearly at the top. No. I think them cameras are bullshit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just trying to scare people.
Yeah. Oh, mate. Be open. We'll drop down. We'll drop down one level. I'll see if we can come up on that one, yeah? It's like they've been setting light to the place here. Yeah, that's been arson attacked. Yeah. Yeah. They ain't looking for us, mate. They ain't looking up here or anything though, are
That's
they?
what I mean.
Oh, can you
I
read?
just hope they're not waiting for more people. You know what I mean?
Yeah. There's nothing that side. There's nothing that side. Nothing at all that side. I reckon we can just as easily hop over that fence, mate.
Yeah.
Get out through the gym.
See on the fence? Yeah, we should get over there and down there.
Yeah, just come straight out the gate.
Right.
Let's have a look. Thing is, we get out on the other side of the building, don't we?
Yeah.
Should we go down here? Oh, it's blocked off. We've got to go that way, haven't we? Skip under the fence. Yeah, fuck it. Well, the fence didn't look too bad to climb out of on this side, to be honest, mate.
This is the scariest bit.
Yeah. We're the most exposed here as well. Really? Yeah, it's amazing. Mate,
Let's come up to that fence.
yeah, should we just go?
Someone's coming in.
Yeah. Should we just go and say, look, we're just urban explorers? See, we should have gone when we had the chance. Oh, fuck yeah. We got that. Just go. Yeah. I'm playing cat and mouse for security. Cheers, mate.
Yeah. Coming out now. Fuck. Go on.
Yeah, mate. Just urban explorers, mate. We're done now. We're coming off. Just urban explorers, mate.
Seen any kids?
No, no kids. Just adults. Sorry, mate.
CCTV when they said there was some kids smashing windows.
No damage at all, mate. We know the rules.
Yeah.
Do you know what I
Leaving
mean?
now, yeah.
Yeah, we're going now,
Otherwise
mate.
they'll call us back.
Yeah,
you know.
sorry you got a call out
No, it's
on
not
us.
because of you guys. It was some kids smashing windows.
We ain't seen
There's
no
about
kids,
4 or
have
5
we?
kids.
What, where?
About half an hour ago, 45 minutes ago.
What, here?
We did hear something though, didn't we?
Yeah.
As long
did
as
hear
they-
You haven't
something.
seen any kids there?
Yeah,
as long as the kids have gone, that's the main thing. But
yeah,
you're
because
leaving
well, they're the
yourself.
ones that.
Yeah, we're going now.
Yeah,
we
they're
are.
the ones that do all the bloody damage.
Yeah. It's just that they call us out. I come from like Kersley down here. They call us out every time there's an activation.
Really?
See, so
Yeah.
if you're leaving, it just saves me coming back.
Yeah, we're genuine
we're
urban
going, right.
explorers,
If
mate.
you
We
ring
just
me, I'll tell them I'll
photograph and
spoke to you that
film.
you're leaving, yeah.
Magic.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Cheers. All right.
Yeah, thanks, mate. Thanks for being cool about it as well, mate.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
You get out here, don't you? Off over the phone.
Yeah.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried.